Hi guys, how you doing? Hope you're well. And speaking to you today from the town of Budapest in Hungary. I've got to tell you guys what an amazingly beautiful town. I highly recommend it. In this video, we're going to take a look at the financial markets, and in particular, I want to take a look at what's happening on the stock markets. I explained in a previous video that if the stock markets take out some key levels, that could actually start the trap door. It could actually open the door to further downside action. We've seen it happen already. Markets took out some key support levels. S&P took out the 2850 levels, and we've seen what could be the start of a major reversal or major retracement in the stock markets. In fact, as you can see here, I've been short in the stock markets quite recently, and we're actually making some decent gains here, just nearly £3,000 in profit. Now, what's happening right now in the stock markets kind of reminds me of a passage in the Bible. Now, I apologize if this sounds a bit religious. I don't want to get religious on you, but there is an interesting passage which I quite like in the Bible, in the book of Mark, where Jesus says, "The first shall be last, and the last shall be first." And what that essentially means is that those who have prospered, those who have profited by being greedy, by acts of evil, those people are going to get punished and going to go down. But those who've been left behind, those who've been patient, have been good, they're going to go to the top. And I think that's an interesting parable for the stock markets right now, because essentially those greedy traders in Wall Street who've essentially been basically pushing this market up and up, they're potentially getting whacked. I mean, they're potentially getting punished right now by this downward move in the stock markets. And especially those people who've been very greedy by loading up at the very peaks in the stock market. And that's what usually happens. Anyone who gets too greedy, they get taken out. There's a famous phrase for this by traders, which is that pigs get greedy, but hogs get slaughtered. And I think that hogs are getting slaughtered right now. So I'm very interested to see how this market actually turns out. In other words, could we get further downside action towards the next key level of support, which potentially could be near the 2600 or even the 2500 levels of support. If we take out a next level of support as well, I mean, this could be the start of a major unraveling in the whole market rally. Again, as I said before, I think it's quite likely that by the end of 2019, we could see that entire rally from December to the peaks we made recently being taken out, being wiped out. Now, even if we don't take it all out, we could potentially see a major retracement of that rally. But the bottom line is beginning to look really interesting. So, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Thanks a lot, guys.